Hello viewers, in today's video we will talk about what a mini cart is. If we want to add it to the header, how can we do that? So first let's discuss what a mini cart actually is. Let's suppose you are exploring the shop page. There are multiple products there. If you like a product, instead of going through the entire process, you simply want it to be added to the cart. So you have that option. If you hover over any product, you'll see there's an add to cart option. When you click on it, the product will become visible in your cart. Select the variation and add it to the cart. Alright. After that, if you find yourself liking this second product as well, you can certainly proceed to add it to your shopping cart too. Now, you are currently on your dedicated product page, but you might be interested in thoroughly checking which specific products you have already carefully selected and successfully added to your cart, or perhaps for which particular product you meticulously chose a certain color, or indeed whatever other detailed information you might wish to review and confirm at this moment. If you want to quickly see what's in your cart, then if you look at the header section, you'll see a cart button, a cart icon. If you click on it, your cart page will be displayed. You have added 2 products to your cart here. So this mini cart can help you if you want to view or display your cart while staying on the shop page, or if you want to see what you've added to your cart. Now, if we go to our store, we will now proceed to visit our site. Upon careful observation, we will clearly see that on our store, the mini cart button is currently not being displayed. The mini cart function hasn't been added to the header, as you can see. Now, if you want to add the mini cart to the header, you need to hover over Edit with Elementor. You need to edit the header with Elementor. When you edit with Elementor, the system will redirect you to Elementor, and there you need to add an element called mini cart. Once you're there, search for mini cart and you can see that the mini cart has appeared. Now, where do you want to add it? If, let's suppose you want to add the header to a specific div, or you want to add it to this container, then select this container, search for the mini cart. This is coming from our value pack add-on. If you click on it, it will be added automatically. Now, if you want to display its text, you can show the text as well. If you want to show the count, you can display the count too. Show total price and so on. These are different options. Let's suppose, what does show count mean and what is total price? Basically, this particular feature will clearly indicate to you the precise number of individual items that have been successfully added to your shopping cart, and it will also prominently display the comprehensive total price of all the various products that have been meticulously accumulated within your mini cart. Now, let's proceed to carefully save these important changes. After saving, we will reload our site so that the changes we made are reflected. You can see that right now our cart button is being displayed. Along with that, the details of the products are being shown, indicating that you have added 2 products. Both of your products are visible. You can clearly observe that if we proceed to disable its current settings, specifically if we choose to deactivate the display count option, the visual outcome will be significantly altered. We saved the settings. We will reload the page again. Now you will see, earlier we had a digit 2 appearing. Now that will not be visible. Now only the cart button is visible. You will click on it, your products will become visible to you. Now in this, we have multiple designs, style 1, style 2, style 3. Let's suppose we select style 2. We have saved the changes. We will go back to our page and reload it again so that our changes appear. Now when you click, you can see now the style has changed. The you may also like section, which was coming vertically before, is now coming horizontally. If we select style 3 below the products like this, we will proceed to save all the changes made. We will reload our page again. We will check whether our changes have been saved or not. Now again click on the cart button. You can see that this is a different design. So basically the cart we have, which we call the mini cart, has multiple designs. So in this video we saw what a mini cart is. If you want to place it in the page header, how can we do that? The method is exactly the same. If you want to place it somewhere else, you absolutely can. You simply need to edit that area with Elementor. After editing, you just need to place the mini cart element there. Select your style. Further, in Elementor, you'll see the settings just like I showed you, such as total price, show count, and so on. All of these are visible. So you need to adjust the settings, and after that you have to publish the changes. After publishing, when you reload your website, your mini cart should be working. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.